Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm actually doing a review of a subscription box from CrateJoy. And this is the subscription box that I received. And what makes CrateJoy stand out is that they provide subscription boxes for everyone. So when you head over to their site, I will leave the link right below the video. You could browse subscription boxes by categories such as beauty, books, geek and gamer, home and living, food and drink, kids, art and culture, and health and fitness. And you could also view like the best-selling boxes of the week and so much more. So you could get all the information that you need to get by visiting their site. Now, the box that I received from CrateJoy is the Mental Wealth Box. And what a perfect choice for someone like myself who is constantly preaching on the importance of caring for your mental health. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what exactly is inside the box. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this way and open it first. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh. So the first thing I see is this pamphlet. And it says the Mental Wealth Box on the front. So it kind of tells me what I'm getting. And then on the back side, it has, it tells me all the products that I'm getting in the box. Now, this is pretty neat because a lot of the boxes that I have purchased prior before don't have this included inside the box. And I think this is really helpful because you get an idea. You can have like a little snippet of everything that you're getting. So I like this so far. So great job. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So these are all the things inside the box. You could probably take a peek right there a little bit, but I'll go over all of them. So the first one is my mental health therapy journal. And let's see how long this journal is. So it's about 30 pages long, which is pretty long to be quite honest. And it looks pretty interesting actually. So it talks about how to deal with thoughts and emotions. It has, let's look at the timeline. So this is the timeline and it talks about mental health check-in, life categories, problem areas. We all have problem areas. What's missing? We're all missing something. What are my usual coping strategies? I eat. What could be my new coping strategies? Don't eat as much. And cat planner, which basically is almost like a recap of all the things you learned about yourself, like almost like self-awareness and how you could fix it. So I love these books. I'm real familiar with them because I actually buy a lot of stuff like this. Mental health is really important and I need it a lot, especially because I'm online all day and you do get a lot of negativity. You get worn out, you get burned out. You go through the highs and lows of an entrepreneur. So having books like these actually make a huge difference for your mental. Keep in mind, it all starts with your mental before you do any type of business or before you do anything, parenting, business, or anything else that you put your mind. It starts with the mental health first. So this is really, really great. I love this. I'm glad that they had this in there. So let's look at the next product. So we have this product. It's called Sahara Rose. And it's a beauty serum. And I love beauty serums. I actually use them a lot. I never used this brand, so I'm looking forward to using them. And beauty serums usually are for really dry skin. It gives you a glowy skin. You could use them to just moisturize. You could use it, underneath your makeup. And this is how it looks. The box, the little product. It's actually really, really cute. It's something, if I ever had a product, I would probably do black and gold or black and like these colors. So pretty dope. I can't wait to try it out. So let's go ahead and look at the next product. So we have bath salts, 100% natural. I mean, who doesn't like bath salts? And then look at how cute they are. The colors, I love the colors. They're very girly. Anything girly, I love. So great. I can't wait to use them. The next product is from Boesh. And their packaging is really beautiful. So let's go ahead and open it. And this is a pedi in a box. So it's for pedicures at home. And they have 4 products, it looks like right here. And they all have numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you do them by order. So the first one is soaking your feet on salt. The second one is sugar scrub for your feet. The third one is mud mask. And the fourth one is massage butter. Now, what I really like is the packaging. It's pretty cool. So I love the packaging. I can't wait to use that. And let's go ahead and see the next product. So here is the next product. It's called Velvet Luxe. And is the flavor, or the scent, excuse me, is Coca Colada. I like pina colada, kind of matches. Is virgin olive and avocado oil. So it's vegan. Vegan body and hand cream, excuse me. So I can't wait to try this as well. Very cool. And the next product is from Beauty Kitchen. And it's an under eye collagen mask. And this is how it looks on the back. Very nice packaging. I'm all about packaging. And you apply this under your eye for a 10-minute, good for one-time use. Now, I don't use these as often, but everyone that I know, like especially my close friends, they swear by this. So I'm actually looking forward to using one just to see how it actually works. So especially because I do stay up late, pretty late, doing videos and working. So this might actually benefit me more than I probably think. And the last product is this one here. It's called Asutra. And it's take out the toxins. It's a clay mask. And it's 100% pure mineral-rich sodium. So I can't wait to use it. I'm all about having a mask at least twice a week. It's really good for your face. I don't have the best best skin, but I actually do try really hard to maintain my skin as best as I can. So I can't wait to try this out. Now, my final thoughts about the box, right? I do think it's a great box. And I love the fact that they start with the actual book. I think all the products are amazing, but just making sure that not only are you taking your care of yourself, right? Like your skin and your outside, you got to take care of your mental health. I think that's really important, especially as entrepreneurs, especially because of everything that's happening around the world, especially because a lot of people are not working at the current moment, or they're stuck at home all day long and they don't have anything else to do. I do think that these type of boxes do really well for entrepreneurs, for moms, or for anyone out there that do need some type of self-care, especially mental health. So I personally, if I had to choose a box, this would be the box for me, only because it focuses more on mental health than anything else. And it is nice to have those treats for yourself, but I think the journal book is the thing that sold me on the whole thing. Is really crucial. So let me know what you think about the box. Leave a comment right below the video. If you have any additional questions about any of the products, or you want me to list the products for you, just let me know and I'll go ahead and do it as well. And thank you guys for watching.